I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your Payoneer account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos and ensure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes, old data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Gotcha on Chrome. You can find this under Settings, Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and try again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If you're still having trouble, switch to a different web browser or device. Sometimes compatibility issues can prevent successful logins. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. If you still can't access your account, consider reaching out to Payoneer support for further assistance.